Welcome to ICT Integration Workshop 7.2. Now we're going to go over learning objects. Now a learning object is a collection of content items, practice items and assessment items combined based on a single learning objective. Now it's a technical term. Basically it's content, a learning activity and elements in context. So it may be an activity, it may be a video that gets discussed, it may be a PDF that gets read and then interpreted. There is lots of different things. What has happened is the government spent a huge amount of money, about $64 million, on the Learning Federation objects, which have now been incorporated into Scootle. Scootle is an Australian resource that contains lots and lots of flash animations and all these learning objects all put together. Now what you can do is you can go to this link that I've got here and register to get to Scootle. Now I'll just bring that up. So here is where the link will take you. Right. This is the code that it's got there, or the link basically is your University of Adelaide code. So you'll be joining as a University of Adelaide group. Put in your details, put in teacher trainee. When you actually go to the school you're in, you'll be able to get their code and use that if you wish, but otherwise just use yours and then click on register. Once you've registered, you can get in and you'll see Scootle, and you can research all the different repositories if you want of the resources, or if you want we can just browse. So if we go to Australian curriculum and we'll go to science, then you've got here all the strands and substrands for science. And say I'll skip down to year 9 and I'll go to physics, and I can view the matching resources for physics. Now there's 90 matches just to that one aspect of Australian curriculum. It's all about circuits and so on. Over here I can adjust my filters, so I can get rid of this and just go, you know what, I want an image or audio, video, whatever. Instead I just want the interactive resources, the ones that are going to be kind of fun and interactive in a class. And here I've got wiring the series circuit. So if I view this as a resource, you can see here I can click it and it says what's going on. Alright, so I can actually look at this. Well, this bulb needs replacing. Beauty. Now when I do it, no. So it's an interactive element. The good thing about this is you can also see how it looks in the form of water instead of the electric diagram, which you've got here for a series circuit. So the other thing you can do is you can also add this to your learning pathways. So I have a series of learning paths which are set up with each of my students. So here are my Year 7s. If I click on this, it takes me into learning pathways, and I just keep dumping in the different tasks are in here. So here we're doing force at the moment, Year 7. So I've just added in. So students can jump on here and work through all the different aspects of this. So the great thing about Scootle is it's really easy to use. It's aligned with the Australian curriculum. Saves you having to make stuff. There's PowerPoints in here. There's resources, lots of different things. So I would suggest jump on and have a go at Scootle. Some other examples are Merlo.org, nsdl.org and school.org, school.com. These are alternatives, but as far as Australia is concerned, Scootle is the best one to use. Okay.